R. Chandrasekharan begins his day at the temple, a devout Hindu who says tradition is key to his life and to his business, bringing brides and grooms together.
There's a wedding in every home, yet 10 years ago there were no professional matchmaking bureaus here.
Most marriages in India are still arranged by families, and when Chandrasekharan looked for matches for his sisters, he found many of the eligible, educated young men from his coastal state of Kerala had moved away for jobs. The problems he faced finding husbands for his own sisters gave Chandrasekharan an idea to help others in the same search by linking hopeful brides and grooms across the state, then the country, and now even overseas. Today, this man who never went to college runs more than 30 marriage bureaus in 9 countries, including the UK and the United States. His company, Garuda Matrimonials, has brokered more than 60,000 matches, with revenues last year of $2 million.
I began with just a piece of paper and a dozen pens.
Garuda's database now has more than 1 million men and women eager to marry, all categorized by caste, age and horoscope details. Some, like insurance agent Padma Kumar, prefer to leaf through their big folders to find his bride-to-be. Garuda has thousands of choices in my caste itself, he says, and I've shortlisted a few girls I'd like to meet. For others, Chandrasekharan has just introduced a mobile bureau, so this busy software engineer can choose from the most suitable bridal prospects off a wireless laptop. Next year, Garuda plans a video conferencing service too. If technology can help the age-old tradition of arranged marriages, Chandrasekharan says he's happy to invest in it, even though he can't work a computer himself. His clients trust him to find them the best life partners, he says, and the secret of his success is that Chandrasekharan feels each one is like a member of his own family. Suhasini Haider, CNN, Trivandrum, South India.